Well, hey, welcome to Live with Lynn. So today I want to talk about my hair. Check out my hair. I used to have really long hair all my life, and as I got older, it got thinner, and it's always been really thin and really fine. But as I got older, it got thinner and thinner, and I started looking like I was going bald, and my hair was stringy, and it looked horrible. No matter what I did, I could perm it, I could curl it. No matter what I did, it just looked like I hadn't done anything with it. And so finally, about 7 years ago, I guess, I finally just bit the bullet and I got it cut short. And it turns out it has to be really short because if it has any length at all, it just falls flat, even no matter what I put in it. And so this hairstyle has worked pretty well for me. But as I said, my hair got really, really thin and really fine. And the one thing I always hated was every time I'd get a haircut, you could literally see my scalp because there just wasn't enough hair to even cover it. But look at it. It's getting thick. It's getting thicker. And the last couple of times, I just got this cut a couple of days ago, and well, you can sort of see my scalp a little bit, but not like you used to be able to. It's getting thicker. And I want to talk about why. And I didn't realize that this was actually doing it, but I have an Avon product. It's called Aspira PM Restore that I have been taking. This bottle's this thing's a little trash. So they come in just these little individual packets like this, and I just put it in a bottle of water in the evening, and I drink it. It doesn't taste bad. It's kind of a citrusy taste. It doesn't taste bad at all. But I've been taking this every night, and look at my hair. It's getting thicker. And even my eyelashes, my eyebrows are starting to grow back. They were like falling out right here, but they're starting to grow back. So, this is like my new favorite product right now. It's called Aspira PM Restore. Let me see if I can get this to the camera so you can see it. There you go. There you go. Okay, so let's talk about it. So what is so great about this product? Well, what it is, it helps restore, repair, and rebuild, and it has an antioxidant blend in it, and it has collagen peptides, and I think that's the key word is collagen. Collagen, as we get older, we lose the collagen in our body, and this helps bring it back from the inside out, right? You're taking it internally. And so it stimulates your body's natural mechanism for building new collagen in your body for younger, firmer, healthier looking skin and hair, apparently. So they're single serving packets. It says it's a refreshing flavor, pink citrus. It's really not a bad taste, really. I don't mind it at all. It's gluten-free. There's 30 packets to a box, and it's non-GMO. There's no artificial colors or flavors and no preservatives. That's what I love about our Aspira line is it's all natural. It's in a lot of cases it's vegan in our Aspira line. I'm not talking about this particular product. I don't think this one is vegan, but this is non-GMO, no artificial colors or flavors, no preservatives. So let's. I'm on my website and I'm kind of looking. Let's look at some of the reviews and see what they say. So let's see. I have one lady here says I've been using this PM product for a month, and I'm interested in tracking the changes. She's using the AM. So there is an AM product. I don't have that here. It's called the AM Protect, and it's in a little bottle, and they're little pills that are tablets. So you would take 2 tablets in the morning, and that one helps. It stays on track. Let me see. It helps. It's part of the inside and out system. It's part of this system, and it helps you stay on track. And so this is. Let's get to it. Okay, there we go. This one has antioxidants and nutritional building blocks that are clinically studied to help protect skin from UV exposure while helping build healthy hair, skin, and nails. So this one is gluten-free. There's 60 tablets. This one is vegetarian, non-GMO products. So this is our Aspira AM Protect. I don't have that here with me. But I'm going back to the PM Restore, and let's look at some of the reviews that people are saying. So it says, this is the best product I have ever used. for my skin, nails, and hair. I've been using the combo, so she's using both the AM and the PM for almost 2 months now. And for the first time in my life, my acne has cleared up, and I'm 61. Wow, acne. So 61. So that's probably, again, that could be because she needs more collagen in her system, right? The only reason I didn't give it a 5 stars is because I don't like the citrus taste. Okay, she doesn't like the taste. She mixes it with flavored water and drinks it fast. But hey, to me, it doesn't taste bad. So here's another one. I've been using the PM Restore for not quite a month. My nails and hair seem stronger, but still waiting for that radiant glow. She doesn't like the taste of the powder either. She wishes it was unflavored so she could mix it with flavored water. Okay, well, you know, it's funny everybody says that, because to me, that I like the flavors. I don't know. Anyway, really, that's all I have. I just, you know, like I said, I just love the fact that you can't see my scalp. My scalp was blaring before through it, and my hair was so thin. It looked like I don't know, a survivor or something, and I wasn't. I'm just getting older, I guess, and so, you know, getting old sucks, but we all have to do it, right? Anyway, I guess that's really all I have for you today. You should give this a try if you're having problems with your hair, your nails. Even it helps, you know, build up the collagen in your skin, so it'll give you more bouncier skin. And it's really not. Let me see if I can find a price on it. Yeah, I don't have the price right now, but it's really not bad. The price isn't bad. And of course it changes anyway. So check it out. It's called Aspira PM Restore. Here's the box. PM Restore. 30 packets. It's an awesome product. Anyway, thanks for being here with me today. I'll try and do better tomorrow. Anyway, hope you have a great day, and I will see you next week. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.